tour is here. Today we're ready, George and me.
Going to the yellow bus and to water.
Yeah, I don't know what's the name of that, but you will see it later. So we'll
it goes
try.
on water now.
Yeah, we'll try to see if it is good, because it's quite. They call it a wonder bath. So it will go to the water
and land.
No, land and then water. Yeah, so watch out, and yeah, hang on for a while. See you. Something at the back, like a boat. Wonder bus tour. Where's the ticket?
I'll come back. Thank you. I do the same. Go on.
The ones in front. Here?
Yeah, A to B to C to.
Okay, I'll be here.
We're in the bus now.
This is what kind of bus?
Water bus.
Not water bus. What is water bus?
It goes on land and water.
Very excited.
Yeah. Pull the trigger and boom. And bye. Ah!
Is driver's seat. Say hello.
You say hello.
Hello.
Very good. Give me a high five. It's working with you, right? Yeah. I have to say hello. Say hello. Say hello.
No longer.
Say hello.
Hello.
Yeah, it's working. I told them that it's working, right? Hello. Hello. Say hello.
Hello.
You have to do it, George. You have to do it.
You have to be a tour guide, I think, right? Just close it, by the way. Your name George, right? Okay, let's make something for George for 10 seconds. Leave. Don't take pity for me on this stretch.
It's making that sound. It's making that sound.
Anyway, I have to say good afternoon. Welcome on Wonder Bus. My name is Aziz. I will be your guide today. Also, I'm your friend today. There is also with me our captains. There's Captain. No, I forgot what his name because we have a lot of captains. Captain Shahar here. There's Captain Ashish there. And there is Captain Binoy there. So wishing you a nice and wonderful trip with us. As we are doing in the trip, the tour guide will check the families. I think we have 2 families today. There is 1 family here.